brother. Thank you. How are you, sir? I'm good. How are you? You're keeping well? Thank you very much. How are our brothers and sisters in Jamaica? Very well. Very good. I met beautiful pastor, beautiful soul. Yeah, she spoke very well. Yes. Welcome, my brother.
Well, thank you.
Kenya is looking good.
But, Mr. President, your accent's from Jamaica.